Welcome to Ellerslie, an icon of Melbourne's architectural heritage and a testament to timeless elegance. Designed by renowned architect John Beeswick and built in 1891, this distinguished residence presides over nearly an acre of manicured grounds, offering a blend of historic charm and contemporary luxury. Set on over 3,300 square metres of land, Ellerslie boasts a timeless façade and a gothic-style tower, evoking the grandeur of a bygone era. Inside, beautifully preserved period features such as stained glass windows, high ceilings, and opulent fireplaces adorn the impressive living spaces, creating an atmosphere of unparalleled elegance. The vast formal sitting and dining rooms provide the perfect backdrop for large-scale entertaining, with ample natural light and views of the fountain and gardens. The family room seamlessly merges with a beautifully equipped kitchen, dining room, and relaxing sitting area, leading to the sunroom and a glorious pool and spa, an idyllic setting for an intimate gathering. Upstairs, 5 bedrooms, each with en-suites, offer luxurious accommodations, with 2 elevated terraces boasting breathtaking views of the city skyline, an oasis of tranquility amidst the urban landscape. Ellerslie isn't just a home, it's a legacy. A sanctuary where history meets luxury, creating a truly unparalleled living experience. Step into a world of timeless elegance and sophistication and experience the epitome of Melbourne's architectural heritage at Ellerslie.